Cloud computing broadly refers to the provision of platforms, IT infrastructure, and applications through the Internet or the Intranet of big organizations. Customers use resources from a provider such that when additional capability is needed, it can be expanded automatically and flexibly without much restraint. This largely removes the systemic dependencies and limitations on a local server. Cloud providers charge by resource usage, so unused resources are uncharged. Therefore, web application developers do not face high upfront hardware acquisition costs while starting a company, and the cost of relevant rental, power, and system admin can be largely avoided. It can also be easily scaled back when the service demand drops. Cloud presents a strong economic case by generating economies of scale through resource pooling. To put the commercial possibilities of cloud into perspective, let's look at the case study of Improbable, the London-based startup. The company recently made numerous headlines for being valued at more than $1 billion after raising $502 million from Japan's SoftBank. Improbable is a cloud gaming engine provider to game developers. It focuses on large-scale simulations in the cloud. Through hundreds of conventional gaming engines that overlap together to create a huge, seamless world, computational and concurrent player number limits of a single engine can be overcome. It handles all infrastructure management and data synchronization for developers, enabling them to build complex online worlds with minimal infrastructural cost. The firm creates simulations of the real world of unprecedented scale and complexity. The gaming world is built by algorithms instead of having a designer placing trees and buildings, enabled by cloud computing and some elements of blockchain technology. Beyond gaming, the firm's technology may help with real-world traffic planning and economic modeling. While cloud presents immense commercial potential, it comes with widely acknowledged IT security risks. When a cloud user stores data which could form a critical part of the company's asset with the cloud provider's data center, the user has no direct influence of how data is secured or any service disruption backup and disaster recovery process in place. The IT manager of a user's company is likely to be disproportionately concerned with data security. Similar to other data-related security issues, data ownership, access control, regulatory and audit complexity are also applicable to cloud computing. That being said, cloud vendors are usually better at ensuring data security than their individual customers. In summary, cloud computing has four characteristics: on-demand self-service, resource pooling, instant network access, and scalability. It's a disruptive technology that could change the provision of IT services in a fundamental way.